You know how important drinking water is, but did you know that it's just as important to drink the right kind of water? No, I'm not talking about some brand name, designer bottled water. I'm talking about water that's been treated to remove arsenic, chlorine, calcium scale and scum, radon, radioactive uranium, iron, pharmaceuticals, bacteria, viruses, just to name a few. Treating your water by using proper filtration is vital to your family's health. Don't settle for tap water, or any other water for that matter, that hasn't been filtered and treated properly. The filtration process is simple and affordable. Introducing the Aqua Buddy. It is a water treatment conditioning system that provides complete alkaline ionized water for your entire house. Its exclusive design is built to last for many years and it's maintenance-free. Contact one of our friendly staff now, and get a free no-obligation quote on getting your water purification system for your home. Call now. 505 633 6916.